All done, huh? All right. You bend it already? Yeah. One more again. I want to
Can
see
I lift
one
it
more.
up?
One more.
Lift it up?
Is that 120? Okay, good. All right, next. Other side.
Okay. You're not gonna be putting the camera.
Look at the other side. Okay. Let's see.
Come on, fellas.
You have to push it all the way to the corner. There.
Close it.
Close it. Let's see. Perfect. Is that okay now? Okay. Bend it.
Pakai majai.
All right. Release. Okay. Now, what I want you to do right now is go with the line. Go with the line. No. Where's the line right now?
What line?
Where's the line? Yeah. Put it on the line.
Let's go, guys.
Now we're gonna make square now.
Close it.
We're done with the X, guys, huh? Making sure you follow the line, the edge of that notch. Double check. Double check.
No. Lift it
So
up.
I told you, up a little bit, push there. Not too high. Not too high. Down a little bit more.
That corner?
Is it good?
It's not good right here.
Wait.
If you hold right there, if it's okay now, you have to hold like this on the side. And then you, is that done?
Lift it up a little bit on the side.
No, you're not on the line. Okay, push it down a little bit more. Let's see. Okay? No, that's wrong again over there.
Wrong, man. God damn it, guys.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay. Do it slowly. That's it, right there. Can you see it now? Okay, I want you to bend this one 90 degrees. Making sure
All the
this
way.
one is stand 90 degrees like this.
Either way.
Okay.
It's not all the way.
Here.
Put it to 100 over there. Turn and then move to 100.
Turn and move to 100.
Let's go.
Yeah, push this one, all the way. I will tell you when to stop.
Keep going, keep going.
Don't hold the bottom, just push the top.
These ones.
Push it, guys.
It's gonna be
go,
90
push.
degrees like
Push
this.
all the way.
Now,
Keep
look,
going.
it's facing to 100.
All the way,
Look,
all the way. Not more.
Keep going.
keep going.
There.
Are you on the 100 now? Go, and go.
A little bit more.
This one needs to be flat,
Yeah.
There.
like a table. This one is a little bit lower, right?
It's a little bit
more
down.
up. Up. Okay, that's it. Can you check there? Is that 100?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 100 right now. Okay, put it down.
Slowly.
Slowly. We don't want any headbutt.
It's tough.
All the way, and then that's it. Release and go to the next line.
Woo! I did that because I'm so perfect. Oh, yeah.
Next line. Okay, we're done with the X, okay? Okay, put it down slowly.
This is good.
Push that one a little bit.
Hey,
No. You focus here.
he just said put it up.
Like down a little bit so that we could move and they could see the line. There we go.
Close it.
Lock it. All right. Same thing. 90 degrees.
Hey,
90 degrees.
follow me at most
100.
underscore haters Zay.
Hey, you hold on.
Sorry.
I'm a true inspiration.
Watch out your legs.
You
More,
can follow
more,
me on
more.
Instagram.
Don't be shy.
Keep going.
Keep going. Put it to 100.
Perfect.
That's it. Release.
Yeah, man. I'm about to get into some feedback.
Okay. Hey, come on, operator.
I got you,
Open.
cousin.
Push. Or pull.
Pull up.
Go to the next one.
That's what
The
she
10.
said.
You go to the 10.
Oh, snap, Mr. Ramirez, you know what you're doing.
What do you think?
My man's a G.
Are you playing?
That's offensive.
Go. All right, 90 degrees.
Hey, look. Mr. Ramirez is a great teacher. He really is. He's a funny teacher, too. You know, everybody got a lot of love for him.
90 degrees. Okay, that's it.
Put it down, put it down.
Down.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
All the way down. Okay, last one.
Release.
Push all the way. Release. And let's do the one port. The one port. Pull all the way.
Those electro guys.
Is that it? Lift it up a little bit. Okay, put it to one port. Okay. Check to push it out a little bit more. Okay. Make sure you are on the one port. Are you sure that's the one port?
Yes.
Down. I didn't see the line. The line's there?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
90 degrees.
All right, 90 degrees.
I got the best camera angles, Mr. Mears. Best camera
He
angle.
got the first.
Go, 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 go.
Come on, guys, come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Up, 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 up. And then,
Up, up, up. More. More. That's it. Release. All the way down. And then all the way up. Pull. Put in the table. Right.
damn, I did that jump,
Let's do
bro.
it over there. All right. Leave it over. Right here. This way. Up, up, up. This one is really like this. All right. Now, give me the sheet, rubber mallet, the sheet metal hammer, and then the vice grip. Vice grip. Okay. Ball-peen hammer, the small one, and I need the vice grip.
The vice grip.
That's not your vice grip.
The vice grip.
Okay.
Oh, you mean the Damians?
All right. So you put this one in here. If you want to start the right side, it's okay. Right here. Line up to this one, making sure it's lined up.
I love you, Mr. Ramirez. Such an inspiration.
Okay. Look. You do it like this. All right. So now, watch out with your soap on. Okay. You start with this one like this, right? Okay, yeah. You lock it first.
Damn.
And then when you're done that, you hit this one like this. Like this angle. Okay? You don't hit it hard like this or else you're gonna bend this. So you do it like this. Okay.
That's what it sounds like.
Angle, huh? I told you already the angle. Why he is stopping?
Go, brother. Go, brother. Go, brother. You want to keep going?
Of course, finish it. You don't hit it too hard.
Hit it at the right angle.
Wait. Okay, at the end, get the tongue. Tongue. Okay, you don't want this one to bend it too much, okay? Alright, the tongue, right there.
You do it.
You put this one over here, the corner, and you could lock this one like this. Now, you're done with this one, you go with the ball-peen hammer, right here. The purpose of this is to make sure that you don't, this one is not wrapped like this, right? You're gonna see it from here. There's a groove. Can you see this? Groove. Okay, you see this one over here? You have space, right? There's a gap. If I do it this one, look. Can you see that? It's that. Can you still see it? Continue with this one. I want you to see this from right here. You hold it properly like this. And you need to be the side so that you could see it. Now you could go to that right there. See it?
Hold it right from the back.
I'm gonna hit you in the back.
Hey, right? Yo.
You'll see the gap.
I got that on camera, bro.
Give him a chance.
He's gonna hit me from the back.
Continue.
Now I'm gonna hit you in the back.
You could see it from here. There's a gap. Like this.
What? Boy, you tripping?
It's a gap.
Fat shit
Push
right
this
here.
one down and then
Bro, that's a switch.
It's that simple.
What?
You spin from the back to here.
Now look, can you still see the gap?